Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Passat SE Nav Estate. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 13,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is called the Aquamarine Blue and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the nice clean interior. Seats are in great condition and these seats are really comfy for a long journey too. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your internet radio, satellite navigation and Bluetooth. And this car also has Apple Carplay as well. A few other features I can mention: the car also has cruise control as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. The Passat has loads and loads of legroom and headroom for rear passengers, so ideal for children in car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and then also rear passengers have their own air vents as well as pockets in the back of the front seats as well. It's good to see the car's also got the original carpet floor mats from VW. And then finally, round to the back of the car for the Passat party piece, which is the humongous boot there, so ideal for holidays or if you store lots of items. So that boot goes back quite a way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have the spare wheel from the factory, so I believe that was a factory option, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance this car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.